Hello, my name is Madison Collins, and this is my Protostomes video on snails. So, introduction and natural habitat. So, the snail's scientific name I would try to pronounce, but I know I'm going to get it wrong, so I won't. But they are shelled gastropods, and you can find them all over the world. All of the snail species have different needs and live in different habitats. However, they prefer damp, dark, and humid areas the most. Common areas that snails can be found are gardens, fields, agriculture areas, rivers, banks, or streams, suburbs, swamps, cities, jungles, and forests. So basically everywhere. Food sources. Most snails use decaying plant matter as their main source of food. Some conventional foods for snails are plants, fruits, vegetables, and algae. They also eat sand or soil when seeking calcium to get a thicker shell. Predator and prey relationship. Snails are not much of a predator because they are very slow and obviously not super big. But they are a huge food source for other species. They are slow, which makes them an easy target. And because of their size and how easy they are to catch, most animals eat multiple in one sitting. Frogs, toads, snakes, birds, and larger insects like beetles are the most common predator of this snail. Unique evolved traits. Snails have many cool traits that they have gained through evolution. Their shell provides protection from predators and the environment, and also serves as a source of calcium for the snail. Snails produce a slimy mucus that helps them move across different surfaces and protects them from drying out. They have a unique feeding structure called a radula, which is a ribbon-like tongue covered in rows of tiny teeth. The radula is used to scrape and grind food, such as plants or algae, as a food source for the snail. They are also hermaphrodites, which allows them to reproduce with any other individual of their species, which you can see right here on the diagram to the right, where it has both male and female genitalia. Location on the tree of life. Snails are in the kingdom Animalia, class Gastropoda, and in phylum Mollusca, along with clams, mussels, squids, octopi, chitons, and tusk shells. This means that on the tree of life, they are right where the arrow is pointing on the right. Importance. Snails play an important role in many ecosystems and have various uses for humans. In the ecosystem, they are decomposers, herbivores, and predators. They help break down dead plant and animal material, control plant growth, and serve as food for a variety of animals, including birds, reptiles, and mammals. Snails have been used in medical research for their ability to produce compounds that can be used to treat pain, cancer, and other diseases. Snails are a popular food in many cultures and are considered a delicacy in some countries. This is known as escargot, if you've ever heard of it. Some species of snails, such as the Roman snail, are used in agriculture as a form of pest control. And snails are often used in classrooms and laboratories to teach about biology, anatomy, and ecology. That is all for my video today. Thank you guys so much for listening. I appreciate all of you. Thanks and giggle.